Hello everyone, welcome to another Pandabuy tutorial video. Today I will show you how to declare on Pandabuy. So basically what you want to know is you want to know how much your packages have kgs. Now after you know how much your package how much kgs it has. So for example, let's say my package has 2.888 kgs, right? Now I can round this to 2.9, right? Or I can even round this to 3, and then what I can do is I can say times 12, and that will be basically 36. Now 36, you can round this up to 40 because just round it up to 40 just to make sure, and you can put that when you are ordering and when you're declaring on Pandabuy. So this is the number that you have to put in. So that's pretty much how you can declare on Pandabuy. Obviously you need to know your kgs. Make sure that you put kgs times 12, and then you will get a number that you want to round it up to nearest number. So let's say if you get 36, it's going to be 40. If you get 47, it's going to be 50. So that's basically how you can declare on Pandabuy.